I'm Bubba from the BUBBAROCK Meat Company. Today we're going to do a bone-in English roast. I'm going to show you how to do it in the oven. I have about a 4-pound English roast. We're going to use peppered up. We're going to use hickory. We're going to use hamburger. I'm going to show you how to do it in the oven. Set my oven 350 degrees. I use these foil pans like I told you in my other videos. Alright, I have my English roast in my foil pan. First thing I do is I take a little bit of olive oil, massage it into the meat, then I'm going to spice it up. I'm going to use the peppered up seasoning, as much as you want, or as little as you want, depending on how much of a flavor addict you are. You can use some hickory to give it that natural smoke flavor. And then I'm going to use some hamburger. Cup and a half of water. Alright, I have my roast in the pan. We're going to put it in the oven for an hour uncovered. After that hour, I'll bring it out and show you what I'm going to do next. Alrighty, I just pulled my English roast out of the oven. It's been in there for an hour. Now I'm going to wrap it with some aluminum foil. I'm going to put it back in the oven. It's going to take approximately 2.5 hours. And then I'm going to pull it out and I'm going to test it to make sure it's tender. I'll bring it back at that point. Alrighty, I just pulled our English roast out of the oven. Let's see what we have. Oh, she's a beaut. Just falling right off the bone. You know you cooked it right. Bone comes clean. Remember, hickory, peppered up, hamburger. Enjoy this one, guys. And remember, like us on Facebook, hit the subscribe button. We'll keep on bringing you delicious eats. Have a good one.